Well, this is the band of snow that contributed to that big accident down in Michigan City, Indiana. We've had reports of about 4 inches of snow coming out of this band as it's worked its way to the east. And again, along I-94, it's snowing right now, along 196 all the way up to about the Hudsonville, Zeeland area, and along the Lakeshore, Muskegon, Grand Haven. Now, most areas will probably see 1 to 2 inches with this as it comes on shore right at the water. This will weaken as it continues to move to the east and gets farther away from the water. But we'll stop her here and see if we can track just a little bit for you here. We could see some snow flurries here into Grand Rapids after about 7 o'clock and into Kalamazoo also at around 7 to 7:30. Like I said, I do expect just some very light accumulations out of this. The big news is the storm that's coming, and that starts tomorrow with lots and lots of wind. Winter storm warning for the Lakeshore counties plus the next set of counties inland. That includes Kalamazoo and Grand Rapids. The counties that you see there in that purplish color are under a winter weather advisory. For this evening, if you're going out, just a few flurries, and if you got a choice between going out this evening and tomorrow evening, pick this evening. Travel will be very difficult here come tomorrow evening. Here's what we're tracking for you. First of all, for this evening, a cold evening. There will be some snow there, mainly at the lakeshore. A very windy day tomorrow. We're going to get some wind gusts to 40 miles an hour. There will be a considerable amount of snow and drifting snow, and that could produce whiteout conditions. Best bet for that would be in rural areas and also close to Lake Michigan. Our current temperature is at 14. We expect these temperatures to fall down into the single figures tonight. Winds not much of a factor right now, but winds will start to increase before we get to daybreak, and these wind chills will be dropping tomorrow to around anywhere from 10 to as low as 30 below zero in some of those gusts. Now, it's not snowing here at 7 o'clock in the morning, though there's probably some drifting snow. As the day goes on, it's very windy here at noon. Not much snow coming down, but probably a lot going sideways in that strong wind. Then the wind increases, and you can see these darker blues. Tomorrow evening, 9 o'clock, snowing just about everywhere, and with that very strong wind, a lot of blowing and drifting snow to go along with it. In terms of total snowfall from this system, we're expecting as much as 3 to 6 inches total, but snowfall amounts will diminish as you get a little bit farther east. This is 6 o'clock, and snow really picks up again as we head into the evening hours here with about 3 inches total Grand Rapids to as much as 6 inches along the lakeshore. During the day tomorrow, snow, blowing snow during the late afternoon, temperature only 12 in Grand Rapids, wind chill at 10 below, near whiteout conditions possible here at the lakeshore with a high temperature of around 13. Again, tomorrow, the winter storm warning for tomorrow and tomorrow night, extremely windy. We get another batch of snow here on Sunday, which could be another 2 to 4 inches. And look at those cold temperatures here into Monday and Tuesday as the Arctic Express continues. We'll have lots more for you straight ahead.